Ah, yes. The calculator and cash register. Infinite possibilities. Yeah. Woo! Today is an exciting day. Ah. Hi, Chirp. Guess what, Peep? Today is an exciting day. What? Why is that? We are learning bigger numbers. Bigger? Yes. We are officially learning numbers to 1 million. Oh, yay! Woohoo! My lifelong mathematical dream to explore. And now it's finally here. Quack! Ow! Fine, I'll come. But I have to get my sleep, you know. I'm a duck. What are we learning about today, Chirp? Rev up your excitement engines, Quack. We are learning about 1 million. Oh, no. Just wow. Yay, 1 million. That's a very large number. How does it work? Okay, Pete. We are learning about numbers to 1 million. How it works is very simple. So, on page 11, we are going to do this. Unit 1 lesson. Discuss and summarize. The Patterns to Millions chart shows that each digit in the number has a place value name. When we read a number, we do not say the place value name. We say the group name. So the chart shows that each digit in the number has a place value name. For example, in the thousands place, 1,000 is a place value name. So we always say 1,000, like 1,111, for example. And 10,000s, and 100,000s, and eventually, like you said, Peep, millions. Wow, millions! That's a very big number. Ah, but that is not the biggest number, Peep. What? Unbelievable! Yep, there's 10 million, 100 million, and a billion, a trillion, a quadrillion, and a whole lot more numbers. Wow, that's a very huge number. Those are very huge numbers. We say the word million after the digits in the millions group. Like, for example, we say million because if we were to say 2 million, we have to say million in order for the number to be correct. Instead of saying 2,000,000, we don't say that. We say 2 million. So we say the word million after the digits in the millions group. Same thing for the thousands. We say the word thousand after the digits in the thousands group. For example, 1,000. Yep. However, we do not say the word ones after the digits in the ones group. Why not? Because it wouldn't make sense to say 1,111 if this is a teen number. See? 11. You can't say 1,111 ones. That doesn't make sense. We just say 1,111. We do not say ones. Oh, yeah! To read greater numbers, say each group of digits as if they were in the hundreds, tens, and ones place, and then add the special name for that group. Oh, I get it! Oh my goodness, 100 millions? I don't know how we are going to do this. This is too hard. Millions. The millions are so big. Don't worry, Quack. We can do this. All right. Let's discuss these patterns. So earlier, we said that multiplying by 10 gives us a greater number, and dividing by 10 gives us a less number. Let's do the same thing with the millions. So, Peep, what if we multiply 1 million by 10? Oh, 10 million? That's right. If we multiply 10 million by 10, what does that give us? 100 million? That's correct. But if we divide 100 million by 10, we get 10 million again. And if we divide 10 million by 10, then we should get a million. That's right, Peep. So there are patterns in the millions places too, as well as the thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Every pattern is here. So, yep. Wow, that's a big pattern. But today, Quack, we are not going to do something too overwhelming. We are not going to do expanded form today, or word form, or standard form. Instead, we are just going to identify what these numbers are and calculate them on the cash register. Does that sound fair? Yep. All right, we're just going to read numbers today. All right, read numbers. Use your whole number secret code cards to make the groups of digits as shown below. Put them in the spaces on the reading millions frame below to read them. We are not going to do that. We're going to skip that part. Instead, we are going to identify the values of these numbers so that we don't stress ourselves out too much. So, yeah. Okay, the first two numbers are 28,374 and 1 million. It's up to you guys to type these numbers on the cash register. Ooh, exciting! All right. The first number you need to type is 28,374. Okay. Let's see. Uh-oh. I typed wrong. It's 27,874. That's less. Let's try again. Okay. So it's 28,000. But what number's next? This? Oh no! I switched the hundreds and the tens around. Now it's 28,734. Which means that I have to swap them around again to get the correct number. Let's see. 28,374 equals 28,374. You're correct. Yep. 28,374 is 2 in the 10,000s place, 8 in the thousands place, 3 in the hundreds place, 7 in the tens place, and 4 in the ones place, which is equal to itself. Well done! Now comes a super challenge. This time, type 1 million. Wow, that's a big number. Can I have a turn? Of course, Quack. I don't want to hog all the turns. After all, that's not nice. Thanks, Peep. What a great chicken you are. .var. All right. It starts with 1. Let's see. 1. There. 1 million. That's 1,000, Quack. What? You didn't put enough zeros. How many zeros does a million have? I don't know, but we have to experiment with the zeros until we get it right. So, what if we add 4 zeros? 10,000. Will 5 zeros work? 100,000? Wait a second. Quack, I think I have an idea. Yes, Peep? You know when we have 10,000s together, that's 10,000? Yeah. And when we have 100,000s, that's 100,000, right? Yeah. So, what if we have 1,000 thousands. What number is 1,000 thousands? I think that's one more zero. So I think it has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I did it! I typed 1 million! Woohoo! Oh yeah, woohoo! Oh my goodness, Peep! You typed 1 million. Wow. Okay, let's review this number. It's 1 in the millions place, 0 in the 100,000s place, or the 100,000s place, and 0 in all the other places. So, yep, it's just 1 in the millions place. Well done, Peep. Hooray! And now, we're increasing the difficulty level. Vera, this time, I want you guys to type 654,321 and 34,185,726, expanding it up to 10 millions. Wow! Okay, let's do this. Uh-oh. I don't think I did that right. Oh dear, oh dearie dear. I swapped the 3 numbers around. It's not 654,321. Now it's 321,654. Let me try again. Okay. 654,000 and... Oh no! I did it wrong again. I swapped the 10s and the 1s. Now it's 654,312. Which means I need to swap these around to get the right answer. 654,321. You're right. Let's see. 654321. 654321. Right. You're absolutely right. Let's review this number this time. This number looks like a counting backwards number, but we're not counting backwards. It's kind of a pattern. It's actually a real number. So, yep. Let me review again. So it has 6 in the 100,000s place, 5 in the 10,000s place, 4 in the thousands place, 3 in the hundreds place, 2 in the tens place, and 1 in the ones place. So we're expanding the place value. Wow, okay. My turn. What number's next? Are you sure you can do this? This is a pretty high number. I'm sure. Plus with Peep, I can compute millions. Alright, if you insist. Type 34,185,726. 34 million. Are you kidding me? Why, what? How am I even supposed to type that? Don't worry, Quack. We can do this. Just remember the place value. Oh, let's see. 3, 4. It starts with 34. 1, 8, 5. And then, Oh, I don't think that's right. Oh, no. 34,185,627. I think you swapped the 100 and the 1 around. Oh, nuts. 34,158,726. There now. Oh, wait. Now you swapped these around. Why do I keep swapping numbers? Okay. Oh, I get it. I get it now. 3, 4, 1, 8, 5, and 7, 2, 6. Boy, that was a lot of numbers to remember. Come here, Chirp. Is this right? Let's check. 3, 4, 1, 8, 5, 7, 2, 6. 34185,726. You're right. Let's review this number's place value. Okay, 34,185,726 has 3 in the 10 millions place, 4 in the millions place, 1 in the hundred thousands place, 8 in the 10,000s place, 5 in the thousands place, 7 in the hundreds place, 2 in the tens place, and 6 in the ones place. Wow, how do you remember all of those place values? It's easy, it takes a lot of practice, Quack.
Are we increasing the difficulty level even more?
Yes, Peep. Now, I want you to type 92,148 and 20,090,870. What? Oh boy. Oh boy.
Don't worry, Quack. I'm taking the turn.
Oh, phew.
All right. 92,148 has 92 thousands. Uh-oh. I don't think that's right. It's 92,418. Oh no, I swapped these around. Why do I keep swapping numbers? Okay, let me try again. 92,184? Oh no. Phew. I now swapped these numbers around. Now it's 92,184. Okay, let me see that again. Oh yes. 92148. Come here, Chirp.
92148. 92148. You're right. Let's review this number's place value. 92,148 has 9 in the 10,000s place, 2 in the thousands place, 1 in the hundreds place, 4 in the tens place, and 8 in the ones place.
Wow, we did it! We typed numbers up to 92,000.
Ah, but now we're skipping that difficulty up to the 20 millions. Now type 20,090,870. It's a lot of zeros.
Don't worry, Quack. We can do this.
Okay, yes, Peep, we can do this. 20, it starts with 20, right?
Yep.
20,090,870. There you go, Chirp. Nope, that is not right. Wait, what? I was careful. Yes, Quack, but you got 2,090,870. How is that possible? I think you forgot one extra zero there. Why do I keep skipping zeros? 20,090,807. There we go. I did not forget the zeros.
Good.
That's too many zeros, Quack, at once. You swapped these around. Not again. Those are very high numbers. Let me double check this. Oh, yeah. 20090,870. It's like I'm typing a phone number. Yes, it is. 20090,870. 20090,870. Right. This is right. Now, let's review this number's place value without the zeros. All right. So this number has 2 in the 10 millions place, 9 in the 10,000s place, 8 in the hundreds place, and 7 in the tens place. Wow. You really know a lot about math. Yes. Hold on, I have to test something. Let's see if I can type this number. 707 005 00, and next comes 9. Oh, I can't. So, unfortunately, we can't type up to the 100 millions because this cash register has a short number capacity. But we can at least say it a couple times to practice. But now, first we need to type 789,321. Do you think you guys can do it?
Yes! This time, let's work together. I'll take a turn, and you take the next turn.
Great idea, Peep.
789,321 has 789 thousands. 123? Uh-oh. I think I reversed these numbers around. No, don't do that. Let's start again. Quack?
Yes?
It's your turn now.
All right, very nice. Thank you, Peep. Okay, you said it had 789 thousands, right?
Yep.
And, 132? I switched these numbers around, too. Gah.
Let's cooperate to find out.
So let's see. 789,321 has 789 thousands. Let's check the 321 portion. It has 321 ones.
Which means
7, 8, 9, 3, 2, 1.
we did it.
Let me check. 7, 8, 9, 3, 2, 1. 7, 8, 9, 3, 2, 1. You guys are right.
Woohoo! We did it.
Let's review the place value for this number. 789,321 has 7 in the hundred thousands place, 8 in the 10,000s place, 9 in the thousands place. I stuttered. 3 in the hundreds place, 2 in the tens place, and 1 in the ones place.
You. Wow, Chirp. You are very smart.
Yes. Okay, now we're going to turn this off. And since we can't type this on the cash register, we're just going to practice saying it because it has a lot of zeros, which I think can confuse Quack. Oh my god, how big is that number?
What is that?
That is 707,005,009.
Wow. Up to the 100 millions. That's a very big number.
Oh boy, 100 millions. What are we going to do? We're going to end this lesson at a very huge number.
Don't worry, Quack. We can say it. We can say it. Chirp said it, and I think we can say it. So let's see. It has 707 millions, so we should say 707 million after the digits in our millions. Then we say thousand after thousands, so that'll be 5,000. 707,005,000. 90? Oh wait, no. It's not in the tens place. Oh dear.
Don't worry. I can say it. 707,005,900. Oh, nuts. It's not in the hundreds place. Oh, dear.
Wait a second. 707 millions. 5 is in the ones place, and 9 is in the ones place. That's it! The number is 707,005,009.
You're right, Peep. It is. Let's review the place value for this last number. It has 7 in the 100 millions place, 7 in the millions place, 5 in the thousands place, and 9 in the ones place.
Wow, very cool. And what I meant by 5 in the ones place, I didn't mean 1,000 changing to the ones place. I meant just the ending number.
Yeah, I know what you meant. Yes, so it's 707,005,009. And we have a very final bonus number for you. It's under here.
Oh, that's a lot of zeros.
Zeros. Oh no, not zeros. I got it. I got it. I got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. I got it.
Can I do it first?
Yeah.
It has 0 in every place. So I say 0,100,000,000,000,000 0.
No, Peep, no.
Oh. What about you, Quack?
I think I know what it is. I think I know what it is.
Do not say a crazy answer.
I won't. Just shush. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Wait a second. It has 0 in every place. So that means it's just 0.
You're right, Quack. What?
That's because, Peep, there is no such thing as 0,100. You don't say 0,100. There's no such thing as 0,100 and 0,000,000. So you just say 0 for this whole entire thing.
Oh, because all of the zeros are in all of the places?
Right. So when the zeros are in all of the place value places, then you do not say 0,100. Instead, you just simply say 0.
Wow, that's cool.
Yep. Very cool numbers. All right. Time to close this book. That's all we have for today.
I'm glad I finally got to explore this type of place value. I'm so glad I finally got to learn what 1 million is.
And someday you'll be able to learn about 1 billion and 1 trillion and 1 quadrillion too.
Aw, you're so sweet.
Thank you. Anyways, this is it. I'm sorry, but we have to close this book. But don't worry, we'll be back another time.
Yeah, we'll explore more. Bye.
Bye. I'm gonna go home and take a nap. Wow!
Bye.